Hello people and welcome back to Idaho channel, a channel that features only the greatest and most epic moments scored on Java's dashcam. From close calls to road rage and many more epic moments await you in today's episode, so make sure to sit tight for this one because you won't regret it. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. This pickup truck driver doesn't take orders from anyone and no one's gonna tell him how to drive. Driver who overtook the camera here thought that he was purposely doing the speed limit, so he took it upon himself to pass him and teach him a lesson by brake checking him. Let's just say that it didn't go quite as he planned. Camera was simply minding his own business and waiting for the traffic to clear in order to move on. But unfortunately, this angry Karen thought that she could pass a line of stopped traffic using a right turn only lane, cross the solid white line into the gore point and force her way in between two vehicles. Well, it didn't go quite as she planned it. You're just minding your own business and chilling at the traffic lights waiting for the green light. But unfortunately, fate has other plans for you in store. This driver got rear-ended by a reckless phone user and the damage was done.
What a jackass. Jesus fucking Christ.
This semi-truck driver thinks he's something special or something like that. One lane is definitely not enough for this guy, so he decided to drive on 2 lanes. Not a smart idea, people.
Well, that was smart, man. Look at that guy. He almost went and he almost crashed into the guy. Winner.
small quantity.
Yeah, but they're not cheap, you know?
As long as the quality.
Look at this guy. I'm recording all this. Oh, wow. You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
Sorry, I didn't know what's going on. Okay, come down.
He hit you, right? This guy. Oh, no, this guy did. I have it on camera.
Not only has their opinion changed, but the amount of care that they have to actually bring it up without it being presented in front of them.
That my pace, scared of having youngins cause I like my space. Selfish ain't the word, regret ain't evil. Before you get the huffle and the puffle, take a breather. Put yourself first if you're living with a dream. Be your biggest cheerleader. Love, she's got us.
Told me your woman is woman, love the creation, and all came from God. That you was my confirmation. I came to where you reside and looked around and see more sights for sore eyes.
Connected institutions that is corrupted. In Florida, we proudly consider ourselves.
I put a baddie on my wish list. Mistletoe, she wanted some kisses. Yeah, look, she got a shape in a wolf bitch. She sounds like a purpose. Got addicted. I'm a drugs, lifted. I fell in love.
Men seizing a city and marching on Moscow have not lived to tell the tale. So we will see if this deal holds.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
First day I bought her an AP cause she wet. I done spent so much, man.
Hit your bitch. Yeah, I got all these hoes requesting toxic dick. All they want fucking her for years. Been I post a picture.
Critical and potentially decisive group of voters who identify as moderate, complain about partisanship.
And with this clip, we conclude another epic episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you witnessed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on my channel as well. Until the next episode, drive safe.